So hello, I am here to demonstrate our M2-FA2-SJF for our operating systems laboratory demonstration. So for here, let's go as LS. Since we already compiled our SJF, we would just need to execute group 3 um, M2-FA2-SJF since we already have it. So now we would need to have 5 processes, um, and the first is going to be for process 1 with 40 burst time, 2 with 43, 3 for 66, 4 with 50, and 5 for 55. And we can see here the statistics that we've computed, right? The arrival time we've also set, we also assumed that the arrival time is going to be starting from 0, and that they just get arrived sequentially, as assumed in the video, since we don't actually put in the arrival times. And then we do have the waiting time as well, and the response time. The waiting time is going to be equal to the response time, since in non-preemptive they're just equal. As in the turnaround time is just going to be computed as well in here, 40, 82, 252. And then from these individual statistics per process, we're also going to be computing the average statistics based on these. All right. So the average waiting time is going to be 86.80. The average turnaround time is going to be 137.60, and the response time is going to be the same as the waiting time. Then we also computed the Gantt chart, in which we have the legend of PIT plus the time. That means that the CPU is processing. And if there is an asterisk plus the time, that means that the CPU is idle. So as we can see here from the Gantt chart, P1 is going to be first since it arrives first, and then P2 since it arrives second, and then we can see here that P4 would be third because it would have the shortest burst time as well after P1, P2, and then P5 would also go after that because it would also have a shorter burst time than P4, right? Or than P3, and then P3 would be the last one since it has the longest burst time in our queue, right? So that means we're just processing the shortest job or the shortest burst time that is in the ready queue. So that's pretty much it, and thank you.